On the field, drivers behind the line in 3, 2, 1, Reefscape.
Kicking off this match, seeing three robots moving on both sides of the alliances. We're going to see a lot of heavy hitters for Autonomous so far. 1501 known for their three-piece, Galactech known for also their three-piece. 51 going to try and get a second game piece up there, successfully able to do so. 49-26, last game get score high. It's going to lead the Blue Alliance to a 44-37 lead going into Autonomous, but that's only two game pieces in the match where we see some really close scoring. First Evans going to chuck the ball up in the top. They're not going to quite make it, and we'll see where the difference in their designs from other people who lightly place it into the top of the field. Now take a look at 34-94, because they've been known for scoring tons of game pieces from the fact that they can roll them across the field. Notice how that robot doesn't go back to the feeder station. It actually picks up things as they roll towards them, making their cycles incredibly fast. 72-67. Red starting to pick up the pace now as there's lots of opportunities for 34-94 to start scoring. 135 now gathering a game piece, trying to grab a core and place that on the reef again up into the L4 area. It's going to swing them back in their favor, but it's still a 1-point difference between these two teams. Blue Alliance on the opposite side, completely having filled up their L4, means that they're starting to have to focus on smaller scoring locations. But 49-26 has been an absolute scoring machine. You'll notice that giant green part at the end of their robot, a fully 3D printed intake that they made for the second competition that has dramatically increased their performance. 110-104, a slight lead gain by the Blue Alliance, and this is back and back as these teams continue to try and score. Red Alliance scoring another high with 135. 447 looking to try and place another algae. If they can do it successfully, another 4 points. They're able to score that as well. 4 more points for the Blue Alliance. 121-124. A 3-point difference between these teams. And this is going to be super, super critical because we want to see everyone wants these rank points to move on to the next state. 135-134. Red is now taking the lead back over from the Blue Alliance with 26 seconds, and it will come to some last-second climbs. 34-94 having a little bit of trouble with the drivetrain, so they're going to spend this time to get ready for the climb. They want to stay up for this match. They want those points 100% of the way. 135, though, is going to stay out, trying to get a couple more climbs. 1501 trying to get into position for a climb along with 49-26 Galactech. We have 3 potential climbs on the Red Alliance side. 135 going up right now with that team. The score of 173-156. Those last second climbs really is what did it for them, with a bar short of 26 additional points and 20 algae, allowing them to take home all 6 ranking points. Congratulations to the Red Alliance for winning Quals match 67. Let's throw it up to Kaya and Eric in our broadcasting booth.